Hello everyone. Today we will explain a new lesson is called Making a Rainbow. In this topic you will know or you should learn how white light is made up from many colors. Point number 2, discover how dispersion of white light can be done with a prism. Point number 3, be able to recall the colors of white light in the correct order. Keywords and new words in this lesson are dispersion, prism, spectrum, triangular. Before we starting to explain this lesson, we should answer some of questions. Number 1, do you ever see a rainbow at night? Does
No.
the sun have to be shining to enable you to see a rainbow? Does
Yes.
there have to be a rain or recent rain to enable you to see a rainbow?
Yes.
What colors can you see in a rainbow?
Red, purple,
Orange,
orange, blue,
green,
green, blue,
blue,
yellow.
indigo, violet. Okay, now let's start. Newton discovery about light. The name of Newton is often associated with forces, but Isaac Newton made many other important discoveries. In the year 1666, Newton showed that white light could be split into different colors. The picture shows Newton using light from the sun coming through a hole. Newton is using a glass block in the shape of a triangle to split the light into its color. He is shining the colors onto a screen. The next picture shows what the colors look like when seen on screen. Let's concentrate in concentrate in a very important sentences in this paragraph. Number 1, the first one, in year 1666, Newton showed that the white light could be split into different colors. This is a very important sentence. Number 2, the next one, using light from the sun. Now, the source of light is the sun coming through a hole. Newton is using a glass block in the shape of triangle to split the light. The spectrum. What is the definition of spectrum here? It is the range of color that can be seen in white light. It is the definition of a spectrum. In the spectrum, the colors are not separate, but they merge from one to another. This is a very important information here. The colors are not separated, but they merge from one to another. Some people think Newton originally saw 5 or 6 colors, but most people agree that there are 7. Now we ask a question: how many colors in spectrum? We should say 7 colors in the order
7.
they appear in the spectrum. These 7 colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. You can remember the order of the colors using made-up person's name, Roy G. Bive. What is the definition of dispersion? Before we reading this paragraph, 2 paragraphs, we should see in the picture here. What is this? It is a triangular prism. This this name of this tool made of glass. It's named a triangular prism. What uh, what happen if we using a triangular prism? It dispersion of white light into 7 colors. Now we explain this paragraph. What is the definition of dispersion? What is the using or importance of triangular prism? And what are the angles of some of colors? Number 1, what is the definition of dispersion? means splitting light into different colors. Dispersion happens because light is refracted. We should ask a question here. Why the dispersion occurs? The answer of this question, because light is refracted. Each of the different color of light that make up white light is refracted through a slightly different angle. Each color in this 7 colors has a special angle. This can be shown by using a triangular prism. Triangular means in the shape of a triangle. And a prism is a solid shape such as the one that Newton used. When a ray of white light passes through the prism, the ray is refracted. Look here. When a white light passes through the prism, what happens inside? The ray is refracted.
Yeah, the ray is reflected.
Yes, exactly. Violet light. The violet light where this is a violet light, is refracted through the largest angle, and the red light refracted through the smallest angle. Again, in these 2 paragraphs, we have a lot of information, but this information is very important. Number 1, what is the definition of dispersion here? It is splitting light into different colors.
Splitting light into different colors.
Yes. Why the white light splitting? Because what happened to the light inside the triangular prism? Light is what? Refracted.
It is refracted.
Yes. Good. Each of the different colors of light that make up white light is space. We should say refracted through slightly different angle. Here. Again, each of the different colors of light that make up white light is refracted through slightly different angle. This can be shown by using what? What is this? What is the name of this tool? A triangular prism. A triangular what?
Prism.
Prism.
Triangular prism.
Yes. When a ray of white light passes through the prism, the ray is refracted. Violet light is refracted through the largest angle, and red light is refracted through the smallest angle. Okay. Next one, rainbow. What is the meaning of rainbow here? A rainbow is formed when drops of water in the air cause dispersion of light. Dispersion? What's the meaning of dispersion? We say it the definition of dispersion before. It is split light into different color. Are you remember that?
Yeah.
Yes. The light is also reflected from inside the drops. What happened inside the drops? The light reflected inside what? Inside the drop of water. That means that for you see, what is the main point to make a rainbow? Number 1, the sun must be shining. Why? To provide bright light. Number 2, there must be rain or small drops for water. Why? To cause dispersion of light. Number 3, the sun must be behind you because the water drops reflect the light inside them. The drops of water from the house pipe in figure 6.34, this making a rainbow. The sun is shining and the sun is behind the camera. Okay. Now we should answer this question. Number one, what name is given to white light being split into different colors?
So it's gonna be this yeah, this
This
version.
version. Yes, exactly. Good. Number two, read.
Okay, number two. The diagram shows a glass block being used to separate white light. What name describes this piece of equipment? Write one letter. So it's gonna be the triangular glass prism.
Good. Good job. Great. Number three.
Correct?
Yes, correct. Number three. This diagram shows white light being separated into different colors. The colors are seen on a white screen. Number eight, question number eight. Which letter shows the position of red light on the screen? Letter, letter A or B or C? Letter A.
Wait, again. So,
Yes.
oh yeah, okay.
Okay. Number B. Question number B. Which letter shows the color of light is refracted through the smallest angle? Number,
Again.
yes, number A.
Uh,
Number A.
yeah.
Question number three. What word describes the range of colors seen on the screen? Spectrum. Number four. Explain why drops of water are needed for a rainbow to be seen.
Because like it helped for making the rainbow.
Explain why drops of water are needed for a rainbow to be seen. Because the reflected light
So wait, explain what the drops for is. Okay.
occurs inside it أو inside them. يعني هو السؤال بيسأل اشرح لي قطرات المية بتكون محتاجينها عشان يحصل ألوان الطيف تسقط علشان بيحصل جواها إيه؟ انعكاس للضوء. Number 5. When looking at a rainbow, some people see indigo and violet as when looking at a rainbow in rainy day. Rainy day and sun shining shiny behind me behind me behind me. Okay, this is the part one in this question. Part two, some people see indigo and violet as the same color. Because the angle of indigo and the angle of violet is approximately the same. علشان زاوية أو الزاوية بتاعت الريفراكتد دي، الزاوية بتاعت الاندياجو والفيولت هما الاتنين جنب بعض بيكونوا إيه؟ بيكونوا قريبين من الدرجة بتاعتهم. هنقول because أو due to the angles of them is approximately approximately mostly approximately equal أو قريبين من بعض كتير. How many colors will these people say they can see in the rainbow? How many colors? 7 or 6 or 5? Thank you for your attention.